Welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the SONY Xperia using a reset code. At the very beginning, hold down the power key to switch on the device, then unlock the screen. Open the phone dialer using the phone icon, activate the keypad, and enter the following secret code, *#*# 7378423 #*#*. The service mode appears. Choose Customization Settings, the last option, then select Reset Customization. If you're sure you want to erase all personal data and customize settings, confirm the reset. The factory data reset is now running, erasing personal data and downloaded apps. Be patient and wait until the operation is complete. Do not interrupt the process. Excellent. The SONY Xperia welcome screen appears, meaning the hard reset is done. Now you can start activating your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.